Hey there! Welcome to the Origami Extravaganza! Today, we're about to dive headfirst into the captivating world of origami, with a twist that will leave you starry-eyed. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you can join us on this wild ride of creativity. Origami isn't just about folding paper. It's a whole vibe that screams patience, precision, and pure artistry. The origami star we're crafting today is like a shining beacon of simplicity and elegance combined. Starting with just a square piece of paper, we're going to guide you through each fold, turning it into a mesmerizing star that will dazzle your senses. But wait, there's more! Stick around till the end. And we'll hook you up with tutorials on creating an origami heart and butterfly too. It's like expanding your origami universe with every fold. Picture this, the sheer delight of crafting a piece of art that not only entertains but also blows the minds of your friends and family. As you follow along, you'll not only level up your origami game, but also develop a profound love for this ancient craft. From the first crease to the final fold, this tutorial is your ticket to mastering the art of origami. Each fold, each crease, brings you closer to unlocking your creative genius. You'll pick up tips and tricks that will take your origami skills to the next level, opening up a world of endless possibilities. But hey, it's not just about the end result. It's about the journey, the experience. Each fold is like a mini adventure towards creating something extraordinary. You'll discover the Zen vibes of this ancient art form, where each fold brings a sense of calm and focus. The satisfaction of completing this project is like no other, knowing that you've turned a plain sheet of paper into a stunning piece of art. Origami isn't just a craft. It's a legacy that spans centuries, rooted in the Japanese tradition of paper folding. It's a craft that has stood the test of time, evolving with each new creation. The star, seemingly simple yet profound, holds within it a rich history and a connection to the past. The magic of origami lies in its ability to transform the ordinary into the extraordinary. A single sheet of paper, with a touch of creativity and finesse, becomes a masterpiece that captivates the soul. The star embodies this magic, turning a flat piece of paper into a 3D wonder that charms and delights. Throughout this video, we're going to break down each fold, offering pro tips to ensure your star shines bright. We'll talk about the importance of precision and patience, and how these qualities can take your origami game from good to mind-blowing. You'll feel the therapeutic vibes of this ancient art form, where each fold is like a moment of zen. So grab your paper, buckle up, and get ready for this epic origami adventure. By the end of this video, you'll have crafted a stellar origami star and taken the first step towards becoming an origami ninja. Don't forget to show some love by liking, commenting, and subscribing for more origami magic. Let's unfold the enchantment of paper folding together.